Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the DSTV self-service app. Sign in or create an account using the smart card number and customer ID. Once done, make sure your phone is on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection so transactions won't fail. If you need to update the app, do that now. Updates fix authentication bugs. You'll enter basic details and verify via SMS or email. So watch for the code and paste it into the app to proceed to payments and subscriptions. Next, you pick the package or specific channel you want to activate, and the app shows the exact cost and renewal period. Once selected, choose a payment method, card, mobile money, or enter a voucher code, because the route affects instant activation timing. Make sure to review the order summary and billing details. Inaccurate smart card numbers cause failures. Then authorize the payment. After a successful transaction, the app gives a confirmation and an activation timestamp you should. To finish, allow up to 15 minutes for the signal to update. If channels don't appear, reboot your decoder and check cable connections. If that doesn't work, verify the smart card number in the app and confirm the payment transaction ID. This is the key detail support will ask for. If you need help, open the app's transaction history and attach a screenshot when contacting support. That speeds resolution. Remember to keep the confirmation message until the subscription shows active on your decoder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.